Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more app reviews and tech tips. Here's our review of the I Am Sober app, a powerful tool for mental health and sobriety support. Find links to the app and its features in the description below. The I Am Sober app is designed to be a companion for individuals navigating the path to sobriety, whether from substance dependence like alcohol or drugs, or other addictive behaviors. It offers a comprehensive approach, blending motivational elements, peer support, and progress tracking to empower users to remain committed, celebrate their victories, and cultivate healthier habits. This app is a great fit for anyone striving to overcome addiction or maintain their sobriety with structured and consistent reinforcement. A cornerstone feature is the Daily Pledge, prompting users to reaffirm their commitment to sobriety each morning. This ritual helps solidify personal objectives and keeps the focus on their reasons for choosing a sober lifestyle. Furthermore, I Am Sober includes an intuitive tracking system that logs each sober day and calculates the financial savings accumulated by avoiding the addictive behavior. This provides tangible evidence of progress, further reinforcing the user's journey. The milestone celebration feature is another standout element, allowing users to acknowledge significant achievements on their road to recovery. These celebrations boost motivation and provide a sense of accomplishment, particularly valuable during challenging times. The app also features a customizable sobriety clock that tracks progress down to the second, emphasizing the significance of every sober moment. A distinguishing characteristic of I Am Sober is its focus on community. The app fosters connections between users facing similar challenges, creating a supportive environment for sharing experiences, offering encouragement, and exchanging advice. This sense of community is especially crucial for individuals who may feel isolated or lack a robust support network in their personal lives. For those seeking deeper self-reflection, the app offers a journaling space where users can chronicle their daily thoughts and feelings, pinpoint triggers, and develop coping mechanisms for maintaining sobriety. It also delivers insightful daily motivations and affirmations to keep users inspired and engaged. Available on both iOS and Android platforms, I Am Sober offers core features for free, with premium upgrades available for enhanced tools and personalized experiences. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly app to support your journey to sobriety, I Am Sober is definitely worth considering. Click the links in the description below to learn more and begin your journey today.